Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Wednesday the 1st of March 2023. Let's take a look at crypto markets. It's been a pretty strong day for BTC, LTC and Ethereum so far. A nice breakout of that descending trend line that we were discussing inside the past few briefs. I'm going to put this back onto a bar chart. But you can see here we were kept on tagging and rejecting off that descending trend line, and then over the past let's call it 12 hours or so, we've seen that break, some ascendancy now, some momentum from that breakout, and now basically we need to see a continuation of this move into 1700. Of course, that being the range highs. We've had a lot of problems at 1700, but now we have secured that break. Can we see at least a run into 1700, which would be a nice 50-point gain? BTC, we discussed yesterday, I think the phrase I said was we've had a sea of red on BTC lately. We haven't had a run of this many down days, this many consecutive down days for quite some time, going back almost to middle of last year. I'm talking Monday to Friday at least, because we did actually move higher on the weekend. And we can see here BTC now on the daily bar today, very much in the green. I think we've moved up almost 1,000 points, 900 points to the 24k handle. That 24k round number providing some resistance, some headwinds there, as we can see. So now we really need to be able to see a break above that. Otherwise, this is going to be a chance for bears to step back in and sell into that little rally that we've seen so far today, and try and get us back down towards that 50-day moving average, which is at 22k right now. Last but not least, Litecoin. Litecoin is on the move, as you can see, broken out of the 95 level. A few higher closes now in a row on the H4 time frame, so still intraday here. But you can see last time we had this bullish momentum, we ran then into the 102 area. So can we retest 102 from here? Signs are looking pretty promising for that so far. There's not too much going on today from an economic calendar perspective. I'll just bring you up to speed with the US calendar. We've got the ISM manufacturing PMIs, but that's pretty much it. I'm not expecting that to be market moving, certainly not related to cryptos anyway. So I think what it will do now is see if BTC can break back through the 24k and into the 25. Ethereum can run into 17 from here. They've both secured they've both secured breaks of their descending trend lines, so now need to continue that ascendancy into those upside levels. Thanks everybody for listening. I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care and bye for now.